Hi everyone, welcome to practice problem ACNT-03. In this one, I'm going to quiz you about the steps of the accounting cycle. Let's take a look. All right, here they are, A through I, the steps of the accounting cycle. Place them in their proper order. Take a moment, pause the video, try it for yourself, and when you're ready, I'll walk you through the solution. All right, welcome back. Here we go. So the accounting cycle always kicks off with analyzing economic transactions that take place within the company, or in this case, letter E, analyzing economic activity. From there, we have to journalize that economic activity to get it into our system. And so that goes to letter B, journalize the normal period transactions. Once we've journalized transactions, we have to post those transactions to their respective ledgers. And so that would be, looking for it, H, post the normal period transactions to the ledger. Once we've posted all transactions to the ledger, we're going to tally up those ledgers and we're going to get their ending balances and we're going to collect them all in one spot, which we call the trial balance. And so that is A, step 4. Once we have our trial balance, we analyze the trial balance and we make sure, hey, are all the revenues and expenses recorded in the period that they should be? Or is there anything we have to adjust? And if there are things we have to adjust, then we prepare adjusting journal entries. So that would be D, journalize adjustments to period activity. Of course, once we journalize those adjusting journal entries, we've got to post those entries to the ledger. So we already captured that here in D, update the ledgers. After we update the ledgers for the adjustments, we're going to produce another trial balance. We call this the adjusted trial balance. So that would be G, step 6. Once we're comfortable that the adjusted trial balance is in balance, we are going to use the numbers from that trial balance to prepare the financial statements, which is C, so that's 7. After we've prepared our financial statements, we have to start getting ready for the next period. The first thing we do to do that is to close out the temporary accounts to their permanent accounts, and we do that through our closing entries, which is I. And then finally, once we've done our closing journal entries, one more time, we are going to prepare a trial balance, this one referred to as the post-close trial balance, to make sure our debits and credits are still in balance before we move to the next cycle. That is F, prepare the post-close trial balance. All right, there they are, 9 steps of the accounting cycle. I hope you did good with that. And that's it for this video. Hope you found it helpful, and hope you join me for another one.